Right now I'm on the bottom of page 449. Let's go over some more examples. Use a net to find the surface area of the square pyramid. So they told us they are square pyramids. So we can draw the net with a square base. That's what told me I need a square base, and then triangles coming off the sides. And this is how my net is going to look for all these figures. Okay. One side of the square is 8, and the height of the square, or of the triangles, is 9. So I need to use the area of 1/2 times the base times the height. And that will give me the area of one of these triangles. So 1/2 of 8 is 4. And then 4 times 9 is 36. So the area of one of these is 36, and I have 4 of them, so 36 is all around. And then I still need to find the area of the square, which the square is 8. And since this is 8, I know that all sides, because it's a square, all sides are equal. So this is an 8 by 8. 8 times 8 is 64. So now I simply add those up, or I could do the 36 times 4, because there's 4 triangles. 6 times 4 is 24. 4 times 3 is 12, plus the 2 is 14. And then add the 64 from the base as well. 8, 10, 208, and it's feet squared. Okay. Now for number 5 here, I want you to try this one on your own. Okay. You have a square base, and the square base is 10 by 10. And then you have 4 triangles, and the triangles are 10 by 6, and then you have to times by 1/2. Okay. I'll let you do that one on your own. Make sure you show your work, so I want to be able to see your net. When I come by, if I check your paper, if I see this problem not completed, if I don't see any work, I know you're not following directions. Okay, number 6. Again, they told us it's a square pyramid, so this one looks a little different, but because they told us it's a square pyramid, I know it has a square base, and it's going to have triangles coming off for my net, just like the other ones. Okay, they told me that this line is 8, and so I know all of these are 8 because it is a square. And 8 times 8 we already did from the very first problem. 8 times 8 is 64. So I know the area of that base is 64. And then the height of each triangle is 12.5. And the formula for the area of a triangle, 1/2 times the base, which was 8, times the height, 12.5. 1/2 of 8 is 4. And then I need to do 12.5 times 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And then I just move my decimal over 1. So 50 is the area of each one of these triangles. So now I can do 50 times 4 and get 200, and then plus 64 from the base. So 264, and this one is inches squared. Since we're still dealing with area, it's inches squared. Excuse me. Okay, the Pyramid Arena is located in Memphis, Tennessee. It is in the shape of a square pyramid, so I know I have a square base and then triangles coming off the sides. And since it's a square, I know all these sides are the same length. And the lateral faces are made almost completely of glass. The base has a side length of about 600. So the base is 600 feet. And the lateral faces have a height of 440 feet. Notice I haven't done any math yet. I'm just writing in the information that they've given me. What is the total area of the glass in the Pyramid Arena? So again, we're excluding the base. We're only talking about the lateral faces here. How do I know that? Because it wants to know the total area of the glass. And they don't have a glass floor, they have glass walls. Okay. So I have to do my area of a triangle, 1/2 times the base times the height. I know half of 600 is 300. So now I need to do 440 times 300. Okay. I'm going to have zero placeholder, 0 placeholder. 3 times 0 is 0, excuse me. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 again plus 1 is 13. Okay. So we have 132,000. And then, last step is to multiply that by 4 because you have 4 triangles. So I'll let you do this one on your own, finish that up, and this will be your final answer. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.